Oh, I think you all know where we're going. No, we'll get it.
Oh, they did a blue
Water balloon?
There's also a red one. There's also a red one.
Then water pistol! Water snipers!
Where the good inventions are.
Oh, no!
Can we go to the new map?
Yellow, can we go to the new map?
What's the map called? Yeah, I'm getting ready to go to the new map. I'm getting my full loadout. What's the map called? Guys, where's the new map? I'm in.
Why do you keep killing me, bro? What did I do to you?
A ghost over here!
Oh,
over here!
Really close. It's tweaking.
I smell your juice!
Did you not notice the DNA ball that just rolled past you?
No, I didn't smell it.
I found it.
Man, I'm just trying to do a fucking thing. Could you, like, not?
No, guys, that's not how you do it. Yo, look behind you. Sir, look behind you. Look, I'm right here.
Leave me alone. I'm just... Hey, shut the fuck up! I'm the ancient server! Hey, I'm a fucking nerd!
Yo, is there anybody? Does anybody? Yo, do you have gold and stuff? I'm trying to get gold. It's the same person. I'm trying to get all the gold and stuff. Can anyone help me out? Right now, I'm missing like your bag. You want me to do your bag?
No, I'm good. Oh, can I see that one? Can I see that one real quick? Can I see
Yeah,
that
hold up, let me do it. Can you pick this up and drop it?
No,
Don't pick this up and drop it.
can someone go out?
He's probably
Don't
gonna
pick this
steal
up
it.
and drop it.
Can someone go? Yo, could you go out
First
first?
of all,
Pick it up and drop it again. Pick it up and drop it again.
Pick it up and drop it.
Can he?
Well,
Can you
he's,
get me
nah,
a bag
he
of
stole
all the
it.
golden
He
ones?
stole it.
I'm gonna
He's
send
just
you
gonna steal
fly.
it.
I'll dupe it. I'll dupe it. I'll give you 2 if you give me that back. I'll give you 2. If you give me that. Put it.
Nah, he's gonna steal it. I know how animal company people are. They're just gonna steal,
So
steal.
pick this
Now
up and
you-
drop
Can
it.
you give me a bag of the golden
Pick this
ones?
up and drop it.
Not
Pick this up
fun.
and drop it. Look, can you pick this up and drop it?
Wrong setting. You're at the wrong setting.
Oh, frick.
You have the wrong setting.
Yeah,
Blue
bro.
one. Toggle the blue one.
Yo, drop that. Drop that.
Why do I have one?
Can you give me a
Wait,
bag
wait,
of
Why
the
do I
golden
have
ones?
one
blue,
build
blue,
up?
Bro!
Give me a bag of the golden. Can you please give me the big head? Can I please have the big head?
Yo,
I
how
really
do you
want the
take
big
it off with the back?
Does anybody have the big head? I really want the big head.
Yo, to click the set on. What?
How do you?
What?
Wait, how do you even
I
get
take it
golden
off?
Does
ones?
anybody have the big head one?
What
How
in
do
the
you
shit
get
you got me is
golden
this?
How do I take them off?
Oh. I don't know.
Blue.
Oh, that,
I don't know.
The big head.
Back away from me, bro.
Big head. No.
Here you
How do you get the golden ones?
go. I don't know.
Let's see. Wait. Let's see for a second.
I just go on into dash.
I have.
Empty it out, bro.
We have the golden Shrek.
Oh my god! Wait, what is that?
It's a fusion of all.
Who wants to join a clan? Who wants to join a clan?
Charlie Kirk is. Hi, Charlie Kirk's my name. Charlie Kirk, come and jump with Charlie Kirk. Come and That is a small ass
Where's
gun,
that guy?
dude. Let me show you a real gun. Let me show you a real gun. America!
Yo, hold on.
America!
Join the code T.
No.
Join the code TG.
Everybody, it's
Join the code TGO if you want to join a clan. Join the code TGO if you want to join a clan.
Oh, shut up.
TGO.
Dude, I got a bubble gun.
Will you drop that for me real quick? Will you drop that for me? I can buy you a new one.
What's the code?
Fuck no. Guys, come here. Let's go to the fireplace. Fuck no. Guys, let's go to the fireplace. TGO.
Okay, where's the
And
fire?
if you're wondering, I have hot chocolate.
Actually, I do have an extra. I'll give you one.
Guys,
Wait, bro. Open your bag.
And
Open your bag.
Bonnie Blue dildo.
Blue put.
And Bonnie Blue dildo.
I'm at the fireplace right now.
Oh, please. I'm going in, gang.
Oh,
I'm going in
guys,
the
I need to
house.
boot. I need to boot.
Well, guess what? I'm in the house now because y'all are trying to kill me. They're just trying to attack me and take my stuff. It's the door. I opened it. You have to open the door here.
Wait, what kind of gun?
Look, I'm coming out back. Look, I'm back out. Don't worry.
There's someone at
Now
the
you have
fire.
a bomb. I'm going back in. Actually, yo, who wants to sleep?
Guys,
on
I need
my
to
bed?
boot. Guys, I need to
Anyone have a
boot.
lot
No,
of
you have a heart gun. I called.
Not me.
Maybe we can go into like a.
Bye bye. Killed the red. Chew it.
Guys.
Bro, it's
So easy to get in.